I feel like what affects you more than anything, dear Taurus, is the back and forth. Pick a path and move forward with it. And it's that simple. You complicate it because you bring stories into it, you bring other people into it, other people's opinions, ideas, and whatever it may be. You make yourself responsible for as many people as you possibly can as an excuse to not have to face whatever fear you have within you that needs to be faced. And I know this is going to be very hard to hear. In particular, the piece where I say you make yourself responsible for everybody else. Each individual has their own stuff, whatever you want to call it, that they need to face, their own fears and limitations and lacks and so on. You can't change that for them. And you can't face it for them either. That being said, it's not even that you want to face it for them, because if you're really honest with yourself, what you're doing is running away from your own fears. What you're doing is pretending that there are certain things you're okay, you got it, I'm good, I'm positive, I'm okay. I'm just going to help these people over here. No, you're not. Come back to the present moment, find your breath back to the present moment. And this is you needing to do the work. Of course, it's not comfortable. And all of us in many different moments of our lives have to face our own bullshit, our own fears, our own limitations, not just directed at you as a Taurus necessarily. It's just what's occurring in your life at the moment. So the opportunity you have is to face your own fear. And in order for you to do that, you have to be willing to let go of the idea that you are helping other people face their fears.